Morning and welcome back to my channel. We're outside in the garden. We're going to try to do a quick harvest before it starts raining again. We have been getting lots of rain due to Hurricane Francine. And while there's a break in the weather, I'm going to try to take advantage of it. We're at my Scotch bonnet plant, and we're going to try to do some harvesting of some green Scotch bonnets. Here are the jalapenos, and I want to try to get some small ones so I can put them in a hot sauce bottle jar and make a pepper sauce out of them. I normally use small uh, Thai chilies, but I don't have any planted right now, so we're going to try to use the small ones to replace the Thai chilies. Don't need very many, um, maybe about 10, 12 maybe. Okay, next I'm going to move down to my cowhorn pepper here and see what's ready. And have a nice variety of peppers here. Let's try getting some okra. And perhaps you can see the rain and wind have pushed over some of the okra plants, and hopefully they'll stand back up. Otherwise, after this weather passes through, I'll come out and stake them so that they grow straight. We're going to go ahead and get the few pods that are I can see that are already off. We're at my black eyed pea bed, and we're going to get a few here. It's starting to sprinkle again, and I have no intention of getting drenched. So we're here at the corn and green bean bed, and we're getting some of the green beans. So this is what we harvested. It's a pretty decent harvest. I'm happy with it, considering the circumstances and the weather right now. It has started to rain, so I'm going to wrap this up real quick so I don't get drenched. Thank you for coming along with me while we did this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a great amount of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. We're approximately 1,500 away from a significant milestone for me. And if you haven't subscribed, take a moment to consider doing so. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like and the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your friends and family will also. Until next time, Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.